Is it sufficient to test only the electrical performance of the chips? Absolutely not. True reliability lies in the ability to withstand long-term tests in complex environments under the combined stress of temperature cycling and damp heat. Irreversible physical damage occurs to packaging materials due to the mismatch of coefficient of thermal expansion. Once moisture penetrates the encapsulant, the instantaneous high temperature during reflow soldering causes it to vaporize rapidly, leading to a sudden increase in internal pressure, which in turn triggers delamination or even the popcorn effect, directly resulting in permanent failure of the chip. Statistics show that more than 60% of packaging-related failures are caused by temperature and humidity. Therefore, before chips leave the factory, it is necessary to simulate harsh temperature and humidity environments to expose this potential risk in advance. Our rapid temp change test chamber, temperature and humidity test chamber can accurately simulate harsh working conditions such as high-low temperature cycling, high temperature and high humidity, and temperature-humidity coupling. They strictly comply with international standards such as JSTD 02OD and JSD 22A104 with a wide temperature range of -60 Celsius to 150 Celsius and a humidity range of 20% to 98%. The equipment can fully expose potential defects of chips under temperature and humidity stress, ensuring the long-term stability and reliability of semiconductor products from the source. For more information on chip reliability testing solutions, please follow SANWOOD Technology.